I always started off the short selling workshop with these 7 cures because I think it's important. Now, most of you should be or would be doing them all. I'm not going to spend much time. I'm just going to whiz through, not even going to explain them much, just to make sure that you have them in your book. So, in the 7 cures there, cure number 1 is, of course, start saving. That's number 1. Make sure you start saving. And really, if you don't already do this, I found the fastest way to build wealth is to make sure that you keep adding to it from your existing income. So apart from, the desire to make massive amounts of income from trading in the market, this is the other and probably the most important way. So if you're earning, doesn't matter what you're earning, whether you're earning $30,000 a year or $300,000 a year, the golden rule is you should always put 10% aside into your wealth creation bucket or account. And so open up an account and put 10% of your pre-tax income into it. And some people say to me, I can't do that. Well, everyone tends to spend what they earn, don't they? Or most people. And if your income was cut down by 10% tomorrow, you'd still survive. We'd find a way. And so this is so imperative because I go through in the Unlimited Wealth Workshop and I show people how that $2,000 a year saved, if only invested safely into blue chip stocks, is worth $2.4 million in 30 years. Okay, $2,000 a year. Now, if you work out you've only put aside $60,000 over that period of time. But it's actually worth, even if you only got a 20% return, it's $2.3, $2.4 million. And so that's really important. Imagine what you can do with that if you actually trade it. And you trade and you get a much higher return, of course. If you get a 40% return, it's worth $700 million. Only $2,000 put aside per year. So that's the first thing. The second key to wealth is to control your expenses. Control your expenses. Well, simply, you know what that is. If you've got to make sure that you spend less than what you earn.